forever, my darling. Our love will be true, always and forever. I'll love only you. Just promise me, darling, your love in return. May this fire in my soul, dear, forever burn. My heart's at your command, dear, to keep love and to hold. Making you happy is my desire, dear. Keeping you is my goal. I'll forever love you for the rest of my days. I'll never part from you and your loving ways.
Hindi mo ba alam to? Pero kung gaano ka kamahal ni Dennis, parang ganito yun. Minsan nagkwentuhan kami ni Dennis. Tapos nabangya sa akin biglaan lang na, alam mo Jeff, for so many years, kahit matagal na kami, may times na pag tinignan ko si Bench, napapatigil pa rin ako. Yun. But,
to keep love and to hold, making you happy is my desire, dear. Keeping you is my goal. I'll forever